Diego Aviles. Oh!
Undefeated knockout artist nagulat sa malatang build na Pinoy.
It was a big test for him against a...
Ito yung latest fight ni Lito Dante alias Naruto sa Amerika. Nakalaban niya ang Mexican-American undefeated knockout artist na si Diego Aviles na may perfect record na for wins at for knockouts. 6 na rounds ang laban at ginanap ito sa California. Sa laban napabuntong hininga na lang itong si Aviles sa tibay ni Lito Dante. Nasira tuloy ang perfect record dahil umabot ang desisyon sa kamay ng mga hurado. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban.
Southern California. It's been raining lately, but the thunder has been on display here. We are underway. Aviles in the black with silver, Dante in the black trimmed in orange.
I remember when Aviles made his debut on our show, and oh my goodness, this young man can bang. He can hit hard, he's fast, he's intentional.
A lot to be excited about with this young 19-year-old.
So young in his career. Look at that, the body work coming from Aviles. Beautiful job. Establishing his range and distance. Ferocious combinations coming. I don't know. A good job of just going upstairs, downstairs. The scary thing is he's not going to stop.
Right.
So Lito Dante really has to establish some offense here and put something in front of himself to protect himself.
And Dante doing a good job of covering up, and even the shots that are hitting with gloves are still getting through and having an impact on Dante.
Beautiful body shot. Right behind the elbow. Lito Dante.
Action here by Aviles.
Lito doing a good job looking for an overhand right, but his shots are few and far between. I mean, Aviles just non-stop onslaught here, non-stop offense, continuous forward pressure, sharp, very technical in his work here, never outside of his stance, landing with such heavy power.
Dante does fire a right hand back the way of Aviles. 45 seconds left in the opening round.
I mean, that's scary. Look at his body. His whole body is red from all the shots. Beautiful.
Does circle off. Closing moments here. Dante trying to survive this flurry. Fires a right hand back, but a statement has been made here in this opening round. Action back underway here, again scheduled for 6 rounds.
And credit to Lito Dante for staying calm right now.
Aviles doing a good job of getting his punches off, but he's also staying tight with his guard, so when Dante does throw anything back, that's not getting through.
He's so technical. Even after he throws his combination, if he's so powerful. Aviles picked up right where he left off inside the Hollywood Fight Nights ring. And he had an incredible performance in his debut here, and he's certainly doing a fantastic job here tonight thus far.
But Aviles has been overwhelming, and he overwhelms again with a nice shot to the body.
Beautiful body work coming from Aviles.
Here is Dante.
Big right hand there for Aviles. Dante playing a very tricky game with keeping that lead hand down. Hand rights coming and landing for Aviles.
Ooh, more shots landing upstairs by Aviles. Dante needs to try to find an answer here.
Here comes Aviles. Great job. From what he's been doing from ground guard into the body. And that shows the tools in his toolbox, how technical Aviles really is. And this young in his career, he certainly has a bright future. Oh.
Yeah, definitely diverse with his attacks. Not splayed upstairs for Aviles.
Oh, nasty.
Imposing is sort of what I was getting at with Aviles being kind of the bully, but you are right, very technical in his...
In this round.
And Dante, he hasn't landed as much, but you can still see he's got some power on his shots that he is throwing back.
Yes, they're few and far between, and he is every once in a while finding a nice opening for his punches. See, I like how he's coming forward.
Dante having a little bit more success here in the second round.
Yes, he's moving much more now. He's got some good head movement. Moving with the shots of Aviles. Oh, but he's...
Nice combination to the body there by Aviles. Dante with a short little right hand on the inside.
Yes, nice job there to counter and answer Aviles, but Aviles, his shots are just they're so hard.
Way by Aviles would wilt under that pressure, but Dante's staying composed.
I mean, he's doing a good job right now, Dante, of moving with these punches and moving his body as his punch comes to him, but why didn't he do this in the first round? You know, in the early part of the fight, so he didn't have to just eat all his damage.
Been scheduled for 6 rounds.
Beautiful jabs coming from Diego Aviles. Oh!
Ooh, beautiful combination.
Short right hand.
Really working that jab here in this 3rd round is Aviles. Oh my. Ability can get him through this 4th round. Dante coming out a little bit more aggressive here.
Damage.
Yeah, the price you pay to bring your opponent to deeper waters sometimes isn't necessarily worth it, but Dante's still light on his feet. It's a hard right hand.
Beautiful work coming from Diego Aviles. Oh.
Working the body. That ring generalship on display by Diego Aviles as Dante's been forced.
Every punch he's moving with to deflect some of the heat coming from Aviles, but Aviles...
Dante egging him on.
Putting on a clinic. Oh, that was a
shot. Dante proving to be a very tough individual, but he's trying to get something going in this final minute of the 4th round.
He's behind.
Another right hand finds a home. That one stumbled Dante back.
Impressive. And as you've said, he fights in him, and I mean, he's just done a phenomenal job tonight of displaying his skills. Oh, and power.
Dante away further than where the shots are coming. He's just very wise. We're talking a lot about his offense, but his defense is on point as well in this fight as we're underway here in this 5th round.
Very good point, TJ. Oh. I mean, constantly seeing what's coming at him, throwing when Dante's throwing. I mean, he's done a phenomenal job on both sides of the fight.
Oh, beautiful shots landed there by Diego Aviles.
Dante, what a...
Aviles trying to make a gravel before the 19th.
He really is. Oh, got Dante on the ropes at this moment.
But he is here on the back foot. It's a nice left hand by Aviles. Dante trying to land some shots here in this 5th round.
He certainly is, but he's fighting on the back foot here. Maybe some pivots would help. Nice sneaky little uppercut for Dante, but look at entering on each side of the body, finding his openings throughout.
The 5th.
Oh, big punches coming from Diego Aviles. Oh! What an exchange.
Another solid arm. We'll see what happens here in the 6th and final round. TJ DeSantis along with Pearl Gonzalez. Appreciate you joining us tonight here for Hollywood Fight Nights. Don't forget our main card live and exclusive on UFC Fight Pass. Dante able to try to get back to the center of the ring.
Nice little combination from Dante there, but Aviles makes hard. Aviles is hitting. Every single punch is sharp and hard, powerful, fast. They don't have this. Dante's do not have the same oomph as.
And we talked about the strategy here of Lito Dante, who appeared to maybe want to try to drag this fight out into the deeper rounds. I don't think he expected the type of power and intentions that would still be coming his way in the 6th round from Diego Aviles.
I mean, I remember his first fight. I don't know how he can't. He's fighting exactly the way he fought.
Live here for the local boy, Diego Aviles, in control of this one. So composed and technically utilizing that jab, going back to the body.
Nice combination there for Dante, but Dante having the heart of a lion here and just unwilling.
Have to take it away from him as well. 45 seconds left for Diego Vilas to do it.
This right hand slips through for Diego Vilas.
In the fight.
Oh.
Ooh, hard shot there. Closing 10 seconds.
Oh.
Dante in some serious trouble trying to fire back.
Oh my goodness. Look at Aviles go. Wow.
We go the distance. What a performance turned in by both.
Is still undefeated, Diego Aviles.
Diego